দুই সপ্তাহ সফর শেষে দেশে ফিরছে চীনা বিশেষজ্ঞ দল। শাহজালাল আন্তর্জাতিক বিমানবন্দরে এই মুহূর্তে ব্রিফিংয়ে কথা বলছেন স্বাস্থ্যমন্ত্রী জাহিদ মালিক। আমরা সরাসরি সেখানে চলে যাচ্ছি।
Ambassador to Bangladesh, I take this opportunity also to convey my best regards to the Chinese President Li Pingjing and also to our Prime Minister, who both had a nice discussion, exchanging ideas, where the Chinese President assured us they will extend all help to Bangladesh in fighting COVID virus in Bangladesh. From that day, the cooperation started. So today we have the ambassador and the team with us, and the team leader, also our DG, ADG, and all other personalities from our ministry, and also our journalists from print and electronic media. I have come to know that the team, the 10 team, which consists of doctors, they have been doing a fantastic job in Bangladesh. They have shared their experience of COVID, which they fought in China, because China got the first COVID virus, which was new to the world, new to China, new to Bangladesh. So it was a difficult situation to fight the COVID virus, because even the treatment was unknown to the entire world and even to China. So with their experience, we are learning. China learned how to contain it and how to treat the patients there. So their experience, their share of knowledge with the Bangladeshi doctors, nurses, has been very fruitful. I hope their visit will improve the treatment protocol, improve the hospital condition, improve the treatment facilities and management of hospital in Bangladesh. You know that Bangladesh from the very beginning, after seeing the COVID outbreak in China, took a lot of measures like screening in the airport. We made separate COVID hospitals. We increased the testing facility from 1 lab to 60 lab. We appointed new doctors, nurses, and also tried to get the protection that is required for the doctors, like PPE. At that time, the entire world was closed. We got the raw material from China. So, China, which has been a trusted and close friend of Bangladesh, is extending all help. Not by this team only. They are helping through the business people who are providing the raw material for the PPE. They are also providing raw materials for medicines. We are also getting equipments, medical equipments from China, and also kits which are very essential for testing. So we have enhanced the testing capacity of Bangladesh. The team, I came to know, has visited many hospitals. just to mention few of those, like Kurmitula, IDCR, Dhaka Medical College, Mugdak, CMH, Red Crescent Hospital, and many others. Even the airport facility, they have been going there, seeing the condition, and also sharing the knowledge, telling them where the gaps are and how to fill up the gaps, how to improve the situation that they have been doing. Even they met lot of other agencies like in the DG office, directors, line directors, NGOs, donors, international agencies, BMA, SHACHIP, all these organizations they have met, they have exchanged ideas, and also the National Technical Committee, they have been visiting them and exchange their ideas. Because sharing knowledge and experience strengthen the facility, strengthen the medical treatment facility. And also they have been emphasizing our people to wear masks, which is very important. Because without mask you cannot contain the disease when you go out, contain the virus. So mask is very important. We have been also telling our people through our press media, our friends from the press media, they have been also very actively propagating this idea, and also to maintain social distance, to avoid crowds, so that we do not infect each other. That is the way how to contain it. I am very happy that the Chinese team took the trouble, took the risk to come to Bangladesh and visit our hospitals, and they are expected to make a suggestion, make a report when they go back. Through that report, I think we should be able to improve our situation. We know that in Bangladesh, still the infection is on the rising trend, and we have got more than 1,000 deaths and more than 1 lakh infected person. This, inshallah, we will be containing it. Through this team's work, through the suggestion and knowledge that we gathered, our people, our doctors, nurses, and the people as a whole gathered should be useful in containing the disease, in making proper treatment also. Through this exchange of team, I think the friendly relationship between Bangladesh and China has further strengthened, reached new heights, and I believe that this will continue in days to come. One more thing, I will draw the attention of His Excellency the Ambassador. He also informed that Chinese team are working on vaccine, and they are expected to get good vaccine, effective vaccine as early as possible. Many countries are also doing it. Many companies are involved in developing a vaccine. So I will request from my side, the ambassador, and through the ambassador to the Chinese government and to the Chinese Honorable President, to extend vaccine when it is ready to Bangladesh on priority basis. That will be a
2 সপ্তাহ সফর শেষে চীনে ফিরে যাচ্ছে চীনা বিশেষজ্ঞ দল। তাদের বিদায় লগ্নে তাদের সফর নিয়ে বিস্তারিত তুলে ধরছিলেন স্বাস্থ্যমন্ত্রী জাহিদ মালিক। আমরা সরাসরি সেখানে ছিলাম।